Hello guys, welcome to Index Trader channel. Today we are going to see expiry trading analysis for the 21st May expiry. It is a continuation video of last Sunday Nifty analysis. So how far the levels has been seen or not. So we will go through one by one according to our trade setups, and finally we go through the expiry trading setup in detail. Okay, let's move on to the first setup. So first we'll see the moving average setup. In this we saw that last Sunday there was a candle closed below the moving average 20, and after that we saw a big fall, a big candle here, and after that there was some up move, a little bit slight up move we can see yesterday and today. But overall, as per the analysis, we saw that there will be a big fall, and as per that we saw a big fall on Monday. So that was concluded in the exponential moving average setup, and we move on to the next setup, that is the price action. So in that also we saw that this trend line is acting as a resistance, and the sell zone is also acting as a resistance, and there were some bigs which was acting as a support. And after that we saw that it exactly followed our level, that is our 8819 level. From that it bounced back. So that was only we were discussed last Sunday that Nifty can take support at this level, and exactly it took support at this level and bounced back. Whether it will move up or move down decide upon the breaking of this level. That was only we discussed that. So now the Nifty is moving towards again to this sell zone, that can be seen from here. It is taking support. Whether it will follow this level or it will get resistance at this EMA or not, we will see in the other data also. But as of now we can see that as per price action, here you can see if we draw the trend line also, you can see exactly that line. You can see the line getting support from the trend line. So we can see that the Nifty is following a trend right now, uptrend. But whether it will continue or not, that is a question. But as of now we can see that yesterday and today it is following a trend. The bottom line is getting connected, so we can see that there is an uptrend right now. Okay, next we move on to the other setup, that is a Fibonacci setup. So here we can see that here also it try to break this level and then it fall back. Now again it is moving towards the upper, that is 9400 level. Whether it will continue or not, we will need to wait and see. But as of now it is taking support from the level we discussed. So now we move on to the option chain. This is what expiry trading lies upon. So here this is for 21st May. Nifty closed 9066, and today we can see that every time when we discuss the option chain, we see the call side will be more stronger than the put side, but today the opposite has happened. The put side is more strong and the call side is weak. That is what we can see. The put writing has been happened throughout the day, and we can see that the put writing happened from 8800 level, 8900 level, and then 9000 level. So the three levels, 8800, 8900 and 9000 level, which acting as a strong support right now. So there are more than 8,41,000 contracts put return. So that means there is a strong bullish trend. And here you can see call unwinding here. Even the call shots got closed at 9200 level, 9100 level, 9000 level. There was a short covering happened here today. So all the shorts got closed, and because of that the market went up, and we can see level near to 9100. So the closing of 9200 and 9100 levels is confirming that there is still uptrend intact, and tomorrow we can see probably 9250 there was a call writing, and 9300 there was a call writing. So we can see 9250 and 9300 will be a strong resistance tomorrow depending upon the opening of the Nifty. So Dow being strong today, closing of a positive green, will initiate a gap up tomorrow above 9100 or 9150 depending upon the today's closing of Dow. But definitely 9100 will be a strong support tomorrow, and 9200 or 250 will be a strong resistance, trailed by 9300. So definitely there will be a range of 9100 to 9250, that is what visible. But as of now we can see 200 and 100 unwinding happened, so definitely that level will be tested tomorrow. That is what clear in this option chain. And we'll move on to the next setup, our FII trading data. Here again, once again, FIIs are selling in cash. That means they are not investing anything, they are pulling out money every day. So cash wise they are not putting anything, they are only trading speculative in options and futures only. So they are long on options yesterday, and today they went long, and that is the reason market saw short covering today. So tomorrow also it will continue. So that is what visible here. But overall cash data, they are keep selling in stocks. The expiry day setup, sorry. So this is the setup we can see. Here we can see as last Sunday we saw that up to this green zone will acting as a support, and after that, once breaking this green zone, we can see that it exactly followed our level, first level and then second level. So both the things were tested, and after that it took support from here and it went up towards this green zone again. Now at closing, this Nifty entered this green zone again. So this will be acting as a resistance right now, but once crossing this 9120 level, definitely it will take down to next level, that is 9192 or 9200 level. In this zone can give a push to this zone, and if breaking this, can definitely take this to our original sell-off zone, that is somewhere 280. So Nifty will definitely retest this level 280 depending upon the buying pressure. We can see some kind of volume here. You can see some green candles with a big volume here, but not a red candles with volumes. So definitely some buying pressure can be seen, especially from the DII side. So definitely Nifty can retest this 900 and 192 level and then proceed to next level. But before that, we need to see the closing on closing basis, whether it can close above this level or not. Only by closing above this level we can see an up move, but without that we cannot conclude that it is an up move, because as it is a speculative move, tomorrow's trading will be more of a area in this white zone only. So that is what visible from the option chain and other data. Hope you like this video. Hit like button. If you have any comment, please comment in this comment section, and subscribe to our channel to get benefited with more videos similar to that. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.